모르겠어요 모두 보고 싶었어 이도 어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going
Zappos is an online retailer primarily known for selling shoes, clothing, and accessories. It was founded in 1999 by Nick Brenmore, and it's headquartered in Las Vegas. Zappos became widely recognized for its focus on customer service and its generous return policy, offering free shipping both ways for returns and purchases. Over time, the company expanded its offering to include a wide variety of apparel, handbags, and even home goods. Zappos originally gained fame as a go-to store for shoes, offering a huge variety of brands and styles. However, it is grew and expanded its inventory to include everything from clothes and accessories to beauty products and home items. And now I will explain to you what is Postmates. Postmates was a logistic and delivery service that enabled customers to order a wide range of items including food, drinks, groceries, and even non-food items like electronic from our local stores, restaurants, and other businesses. Postmates was especially known for delivering a wide variety of items, not just food, make it more versatile service compared to other food delivery apps. Postmate was a popular on-demand delivery service that allowed users to order food, groceries, and alcohol, and other items from local stores and restaurants. Customers could place orders through the Postmate app or website. Birchbox. Birchbox is a subscription service that delivers a curated selection of beauty products. Birchbox is a monthly subscription service that delivers personalized by beauty and grooming products samples directly to subscriber doorsteps. Founded in 2010 by Harvard Business School graduates. Four Seasons. The Four Seasons Hotels and Resort is renewed by luxury hospital company founded in 1960 by Canadian businessman Isidore Sharp. The brand is celebrated for exceptional service, opulent accommodation, and a unique experience that reflect the local culture and environment of each location. Four Seasons Hotels and Resort is a luxury hotel and resort company known for offering high-end accommodation, exceptional service, and inclusive experience for travelers. The brand has expanded to more than 100 properties across the globe, including hotels, resorts, and private residences.